In 1973, a company was established in Ulsan, the center of industrial growth in South Korea, and over nearly half a century, it has grown through continuous technological innovation and quality-centered management. That company is Hantek Co Ltd. HANTEC is a leading manufacturing company in South Korea that designs and manufactures chemical equipment, industrial storage tanks, nuclear power, and green energy facilities. The total site area is approximately 63,000 square meters, and the building area is about 26,000 square meters. Equipped with comprehensive production infrastructure capable of manufacturing large pressure vessels, tanks, reactors, heat exchangers, and more. Additionally, we have CNC cutting machines, automatic welders, a 300-ton press, large roll bending machines, 200-ton overhead cranes, and non-destructive testing equipment. We carry out the entire process for precision manufacturing and quality control in-house. Hantec's history is intertwined with the history of the plant industry in South Korea. In 1973, the manufacturing business started in the Korea Fertilizer Equipment Division. In 1998, it became an independent company by spinning off as Hantek Co Ltd. In 2010, it entered the nuclear sector by obtaining ASME N, NA, and NPT stamps. In 2012, the Ulsan new factory was completed, establishing a system for manufacturing large pressure equipment. In 2018, CAPEC MN certification was obtained. In 2019, registered as a Q-class supplier for Korea hydro and nuclear power. In 2023, obtained ISO 5001 certification. In 2024, established an ESG committee, and in 2025, it made a leap to become a global company through listing on the KOSDAQ. Hantec's management philosophy can be summarized in 3 words: harmony through mutual respect and cooperation, frugality that creates tangible results through diligence, and a pioneering spirit that is not afraid of change. Hantek upholds customer trust and moves towards the future with these 3 principles. And the vision for the future is clear: a company that is faithful to the basics, innovates through technology, and grows with people. Hantek operates all processes in a one-stop system, based on a systematic organizational structure covering domestic and international sales, design, procurement, production, quality, and green energy business. In particular, the Technology Research Institute and the Green Energy Division play a central role in developing key technologies for future energy transition. In the field of chemical equipment, Hantek manufactures core plant equipment such as heat exchangers, reactors, pressure vessels, and towers and columns. Indonesia BP Tangguh LNG chain, type HPMR LPC3 chiller 422 tons. China Prosperity petrochemical titanium. Heat exchanger 113 tons Oman. Oil refineries cycle gas. Cooler 191 tons South Korea. Hanwha Impact Dehydration Tower. 394 tons India Reliance Industries titanium. Clad reactor 142 tons South Korea. Nexion deposition chamber vessel 2024. Special alloys, high temperature and high pressure structures, and precision welding technology are Hantec's greatest pride. Tank business storage, tank division. We design and manufacture various industrial storage tanks such as cryogenic tanks, low-temperature tanks, and spherical tanks. Major projects include POSCO LN tank 13,898 cubic meter, 196 Linda Korea. LN tank 20,000 cubic meter, Hanwha total propylene. Spherical tank 559 cubic meter, Samsung. Total low-temperature tank 92,554 cubic meter. Hantek possesses the best tank manufacturing technology in the country, ensuring stability even in ultra-low temperature environments, 196 degrees Celsius. Nuclear and special equipment. Hantek is participating in the production of auxiliary equipment for nuclear power plants and high-level waste storage containers, cask based on its chemical equipment manufacturing technology. We are involved in the project for the first domestically produced spent nuclear fuel storage container and are registered as a Q-grade and A-grade supplier for Korea hydro and nuclear power. Hantek's another challenge towards a sustainable future is green energy, CCUS, carbon capture and storage facilities, e-fuel production of pressure vessels for e-methanol, e-gasoline and SAF green ammonia hydrogen production of high-temperature, high-pressure ammonia reactors, plastic, recycling production of vanadium reactor modules. wind power development of 100-meter class blade adapters. HANTEC is leading technological innovation for the future of the Earth. HANTEC is capable of manufacturing equipment up to 800 tons based on large-scale sites and factory facilities. All processes are operated as a complete integrated system from cutting, forming, welding, inspection, painting, shipping. HANTEC conducts thorough quality management based on international standards with the belief that quality is competitiveness. The certifications held are as follows: ISO 9001, 14001, 45001, 5001, AN 334D, ASAMIS, UUD, N, NA, NPT stamp, KIPIC MN, PED, EN, 1090-12, and Hanwha Q grade, etc. All products are perfectly verified through hydrostatic testing, non-destructive testing, X-ray and gamma-ray inspections. HANTEC possesses differentiated technological capabilities from the design stage. We perform precise designs of heat exchangers and pressure vessels using 2D CAD, 3D solid edge, HTRI, PVE light, and compress. Additionally, we have the capability to validate designs according to international codes such as ASME, API, Theme, PD5500, and EN1462 and we optimize the stability of cryogenic storage tanks with our self-developed cryogenic tank design software. Since the beginning of 1973 until today, HANTEC has always been creating trust through technology and designing the future with trust. We will continue to grow together with our customers and move forward as a technology company that creates a sustainable world.